Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for October 25th through November 8th. We're going to take a look at the ongoing weak polar vortex, the stratospheric warming that's coming. You can see here, this is the analysis as of yesterday, and it shows polar vortex extending down across western Canada into the northwest. We could take a better picture of it here. On this graphic here, you can see it here. This orange or yellow here is extending down to this region. Another thing we could take a look at. This is just the analysis, but we could take a look at. Let me see the temperatures. You can see the stratospheric warming with the temperatures going on across this region. And we do have stratospheric warming occurring. And this is also occurring over Asia, but we have this lobe that is, go back to this picture. This lobe here, where I just drew there, is showing is what's bringing all the cold and snow now to portions of the west and central U.S. Trying to erase this. Hold on a second. Guess it's not erasing. Okay. But anyway, we have stratospheric warming, and also this is causing the above normal snowfall as of this time across North America. We're going to look now at the forecast and get back to the maps for October 25th to 29th. And this is what we see here. We have a above normal heights here, ridge here, trough extending from near Greenland into the west, and we have above normal heights here in the east with the ridge over the North Atlantic. And the cold Canadian high pressure will bring cold air. Let me see if I can go to the other map. We'll be bringing cold air. This high pressure here, we're bringing cold air, and we're expecting anomalies to be as great as 40 degrees below normal. Anomalies in the west will reach 25 degrees below normal further across this area here. And then energy upstream will reinforce the trough by the weekend. And we expect widespread wintry precipitation will be likely across south central Great Basin. And you can see across here as you go through the period. And deep moisture from the Gulf will also interact with a frontal boundary and cause widespread showers and storms, causing precipitation to be above normal here. Now look how far south this cold air goes. Down here we have a mixture of ice and so forth. Down here, that's the GFS. And we look at the European ensembles. You see the coldest, where's the I don't know if we can see the 540 line. Okay, here's the 546 line. So I don't think the GFS, the European, is as bad. And also there is a possibility, if you look at the tropics, there goes epsilon up here, and we look at the rest of the models, there is forecast to be a system down here that's going to develop. We'll back it up a little bit, and then it tracks towards Florida, and this also brings some enhancement in rain. And you're looking at the European deterministics, and this is the other European high resolution, and then we're looking at the European ensembles. Not as bad, but there'll be some heavy rainfall occurring across Florida. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for October 30th to November 3rd. And the ridge remains over western Canada. trough extends from near Greenland into the northern U.S. And we have a ridge that builds across the east. So the models are in pretty good agreement. You can see right here. So for this, here's the extension of the trough across this area. Whoops. Looks like across this area here. Across this area here. Okay. And let me see if it works now. Okay, it works now. And models in good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for much of the west into the Mississippi Valley and parts of the Midwest, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 12 degrees below normal and above normal temperatures are forecast for this region here, and with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, call for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%, and then above normal precipitation forecast for this region, and with the anomalies at 35 to 40%. And then as we go further into the period, this is for November 4th to the 8th. Forecast a nearly zonal flow near to above normal heights. Still a tendency for cooler temperatures here. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west. And I'm forecasting numbers near 4 degrees above normal. And then we have below normal temperatures for much of this region here, with anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then above normal precipitation forecast for along the east coast, with the probability of occurrence is 40%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for October 25th to November 8th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.